Welcome back to Learning Audition. Let me show you how you can remove background noise from your clips. We'll go back to our test clip. Let me play it. Welcome to my audition tutorials. This is a test. And here in this area you can see there's nothing being spoken, but there's still a wavy line, which indicates that something is being recorded or was recorded. And this is what happens usually when you just record your stuff. There's always going to be some background noise. It's not that loud, you can see it up here, but still minus 30 dB, something like that. So it's a good idea to filter that out, especially when people listen to your stuff using headphones, because otherwise they will notice. There are many ways to do it in Adobe Audition. They all have their ups and downs. I want to show you what I use, because I think it's easiest to use and it's going to leave most of the other stuff unaffected. We're going to go to Effects, Noise Reduction Restoration, and then use the noise reduction process. Now we'll have to find an area where we only have background noise. For example, here at the end. Just make sure that you're not covering anything that has these big spikes, because that indicates that here something is actually being spoken or sung. So there's definitely something that you want to have in your audio. Go to an area where you have these smaller waves, like here, then capture this noise print. It's going to generate a diagram. Every time you capture something new, this diagram will change, so you know that this was being captured. You have to make it long enough though, so if I make this small, you get a warning message. Adobe Audition just needs a little bit more info to actually find this noise print. So let us make it bigger again. I capture it. Now check noise reduction percentage right here. You want to go, for the most part, especially when you do podcasts, YouTube videos, you want to go 90% or higher. Let me make that 95. And in this case, we can reduce it by 100 dB. It's background noise. We don't need any of it. So we can reduce it by the maximum. Finally, select the entire file. It's going to highlight it right here in your audio wave window and then apply it. You can see these wavy lines have now been flattened. There's still a little bit in there, so you may have to do that 2 or 3 times in different areas. So let us go to this position. I use it again, capture it. I'll keep percentage and reduce by, then select the entire file, apply it again. Let me play it. Welcome to my audition tutorials. This is a test audio clip that we're going to use. And there you go. We've successfully removed most of it. You can see there's still a little bit of noise, but here around minus 50, minus 60, this is almost unhearable, especially if you play it at regular volume. And this is what I would recommend that you use if you want to remove background noise from your audio. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.